Yes, the important attributes of tailings that we used to look for are the very things that people hate. They basically, the bacteria actually feed on toxic materials, and so we almost go out of our way to look for elements which are very, very harmful to the environment, but which our bacteria can process well and convert into a benign product. So we used to look for tailings which had very high grade arsenic, because for us that was a tag that basically it was, the chances are it was a material which our bacteria would very much enjoy eating to release the metals. And also in doing so, we could then convert that arsenic into a very benign, environmentally friendly waste. But we could also look towards toxins such as cadmium, bismuth, all the things which basically everybody else hates. And often those materials can have very high metal values, and we can make the project pay for itself by basically selling those metals to treat the toxins. So it's a win-win situation in which we clean up the environment, but also create a revenue stream of metals, which are basically green metals, which can feed into the supply chain. Um, these days, as you've probably seen from the discussion I've made on the pyrrhotite nickel cobalt treatment, we also look more deeply into how we can actually take materials which we used to throw away, like iron and also silica waste, and create new materials from those to create revenue streams and minimize the benign waste that we produce. So these days, we will go out of our way not just to look for toxins that we can treat, but also elements which were basically considered worthless before, but now that we can look towards new industries, new green industries for treating those materials to produce construction materials and steel, which can feed into the supply chains of those industries.